Which one? Are you dancing?
Liba, smile at
Ready?
me.
Dance, dance, dance.
Can you lift up your leg? How do you lift up your leg?
Good.
Good.
Wow.
Wow.
You're gonna be a gymnast.
You dance?
I
How do you dance? Show me how you dance.
Look at her face.
know.
Liba, how do you dance? Can you lift up your leg again?
Thank you. Ready? Stretch. Stretch.
Oh, wait. Oh, shit.
Puppy, wait, let's look at a picture. Can we look at a picture? Who's this? You? That's me? Liba. Show Ima. Can you show it to Ima? No! What are you doing?
Liba, can I have it?
Can you walk it over to Ima? Walk it over to Ima. Show Ima. Yeah.
Do you see Toby's legs?
Yes.
Liba.
Ellie, why do you have a lollipop?
Because I
No, but what did you do yesterday to get the lollipop?
went to the haircut store.
Show everybody your haircut. It's very nice.
Emma, but it's sticking up.
Oh.
Show Ima.
Can I see? Ellie, who did you take for show and tell today?
What letter was it?
Ow.
How do you spell Liba's name? Wait, take the lollipop out. How do you spell Liba's name?
Liba.
Good job.
Look. Okay.
Okay, bye, Liba. You say bye?
Emma, I'm taking a picture of
We're
you.
gonna give you a bat.
Bye.